the car like this, you don't have to be driving it like this. If you use this, look at what you can do. You just put that on like that, and you just clean her up. This is not wax, guys, it's cleaner. All I'm doing is cleaning, not waxing. Look how much color and gloss is still on here. It's just buried underneath years of neglect. This is a rich, beautiful base coat. Okay, because it's not wax, it's permanent, and we're not cutting, we're cleaning. We're able to remove all the contamination. Look how beautiful that comes out, guys. Are you catching that, buddy? So you want to use Lukat Fix It. You get it at lukatdetail.com. You want to polish back and forth. This is a polish, color and gloss polish for restoring the color. And once you do that, you want to seal it. It comes with another product called Easy Wax, and this is a sealer designed to lock in that beautiful paint job and lock out the contaminants. This will keep it shiny and beautiful for a long time. You can use this once, twice, 3 times a year, however you need it, but you don't need to clean it anymore because the cleaner removes all that buildup. Look how rich and beautiful that color comes out, guys. So, Lukat Fix It. Check us out online. This stuff is amazing. I'm gonna do a little bit more because I think it's pretty badass. Look at that. Oops. Oh, sorry. I have to dub that out. Anyways, look at some paint jobs you can clean up and they'll look like they're brand new, guys. Waxing over a dirty paint job is not good. Clean it. This is a cleaner. You use it primarily for cleaning. Watch the videos on our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is Lukat Fix It. Check us out on Facebook at Rob Lukat. Or just go to lukatdetail.com and look at this. And this is permanent. This is not going to come back in a week, in a month. It's fixed, it's clean. So use this to fix your paint, bring it back to life. This is just going to make it look beautiful, seal it up, and give it some shine. It won't be flat and ugly and noticeable anymore. This stuff is the bomb. All right, so you getting that, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
That looks great. Okay, so some paint jobs can be cleaned to like brand new condition. This is one of them. This is amazing. It's almost flawless, but it's possible only because we cleaned it. Waxing over something like this will make it worse because you're trapping the contaminants that are eroding the paint. Use this, it'll clean it, seal it up. Now, if you want to wax your car, this is what you're going to wax, but it's going to stay like that. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution, guys. Later.